Hey, beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so grateful you found your way to this sacred space. Today, I want to invite you into something a little different, something slower, simpler, sacred. Let's talk about mindful cooking and how the simple act of preparing a meal can become a daily ritual for grounding, presence, and inner peace. In a world that constantly pulls us in every direction, mindful cooking gives us a moment to pause, to reconnect, to be fully here. Because peace doesn't always come in meditation or a mountaintop. Sometimes peace is found in a quiet kitchen, in the rhythm of chopping vegetables, in the aroma of herbs simmering in a pan, in the stillness between sips and stirs. Let's turn your kitchen into your sanctuary. Mindful cooking is the art of being fully present with your food from prep to plate. It's not about making a perfect dish or impressing anyone. It's about slowing down, tuning in, and treating cooking as an act of love. It's cooking without distractions, using all five senses, letting each step be a meditation in motion. In 1 Corinthians 10:31, Paul says, "Whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God." Even cooking can be a form of worship, a way of honoring your body, your time, your peace. Here's the thing. When we cook mindfully, we shift from autopilot to awareness. Most of us eat and cook while multitasking, scrolling through our phones, stressing about work, thinking 5 steps ahead, but mindful cooking slows us down. It gives our nervous system a break. It's been shown to lower cortisol, stress hormone, improve digestion, calm anxious thoughts, and even reduce emotional eating. And beyond science, it's just sacred. Every ingredient you touch is a reminder, I am here, I am safe, I am creating something nourishing. Let's walk through 5 simple ways to turn cooking into a peace practice. 1. Start with intention. Before you even pick up a spoon, pause. Ask yourself, what energy do I want to bring into this meal? Who am I cooking for? What do they need emotionally? How can I infuse love into this process? You can even say a short prayer. God bless this space. Let this meal bring peace to my mind and joy to my soul. 2. Engage your senses fully. Cooking is one of the few activities that engages all 5 senses, so use them. Notice the colors of your ingredients. Inhale the aroma of spices. Feel the texture as you wash produce. Listen to the sizzle of garlic in oil. Taste the transformation. Let your body ground you in the now. 3. Put away distractions. This is big. No rushing, no scrolling, no podcast playing in the background. Let it be just you and your meal. Try 10 minutes of total silence in the kitchen. You'll be amazed how calm and creative you feel. Speak life into what you're cooking. Even if it's just you eating it, your energy matters. Say, this food will bring healing to my body. This moment is sacred. I am feeding more than my stomach. I am feeding my soul. You're not just making dinner, you're making peace. When your meal is ready, don't rush into eating. Pause. Take a deep breath. Say a prayer of thanks, not just for the food, but for the stillness it brought you. Eat slowly, chew intentionally. Let each bite be a reminder. I am cared for. I am whole. I am nourished. Imagine this. Your kitchen becomes a sacred space, not just for eating, but for connecting with yourself, your creator, and the present moment. Your grocery run becomes an act of intention. Your knife becomes your meditation tool. Your pan becomes your altar. You don't need a perfect home, a 5-star recipe, or fancy tools. All you need is presence. Let's recap what you gain when you cook with intention. Lower stress levels, a healthier relationship with food, greater appreciation for your body, spiritual connection through daily action, a calmer mind in the middle of a chaotic world. Cooking becomes not just a task, but a practice. Not just something to get done, but something to be in. Let's breathe. Close your eyes, hand over your heart. Repeat after me. I slow down and find peace in the ordinary. Every meal I prepare is a gift of love and presence. I honor my body with nourishment and stillness. I turn everyday moments into sacred rituals. Peace lives here, in my hands, in my breath, in my kitchen. Prayer. God, thank you for the gift of nourishment. Teach me to slow down in a world that celebrates rush. Help me bring intention to even the smallest tasks. Let my kitchen be a place of peace, gratitude, and joy, and may every meal I prepare carry healing, not just for the body, but for the soul. Amen. If this video brought calm to your spirit, drop a in the comments and say, I am choosing presence in my kitchen. What's one way you plan to make your cooking more mindful this week? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more soulful content. Share this with someone who needs peace in their daily routine. Remember, peace isn't found in perfection, it's found in presence. And sometimes the most powerful spiritual practice is making dinner with love.